Hi, and welcome to Kristi Sullivan's Sullivan Financial Planning YouTube video of the day. Today I want to talk about what is really a down day in the market. I think the news media tends to get really excited if the Dow Jones drops more than 100 points. And there was a time when the Dow Jones total industrial average was only, say, worth 6,000 points or 10,000 points, where a drop of 100 points was really alarming. But what we have to remember is movement in the stock market is relative. And you want to kind of keep in mind what's the percentage up and down the markets are moving in a given day. So for example, right now, as I record this video, the Dow sits at about 26,000 points. So a 100-point drop in the Dow is not that much. It would actually take a 260-point drop in the Dow to even be a 1% drop in the stock market. So that's not such a big deal. A 1% drop in the stock market, or 1.5%, or even 2% is nothing to run to the exits about. A 10% drop, sure, that's pretty scary in one day. A 10% drop, though, can easily happen in a correction, and that happens very often. So again, no need to panic if that happens. The important thing is not to feed into the news media hype about what a bad day in the market is. Keep it in perspective, think about it in percentages, and remember, you can't have up days unless you have the occasional down day. So risk, downside, backwards growth, if you want to call it, is a natural part of investing for longer term growth. When you have a plan in place, a diversified portfolio allocation, a plan as to when you're going to look at it and rebalance it occasionally, these down days in the market, whether they be 300 points or 100 points or 400 points, should not be anything that spurs you to immediate action. Don't panic, chat it over with your financial advisor, but do stay the course for the long term. I doubt many of you have all of your money in the US stock market. Most of you will have some allocation in bonds and international and real estate and other things. So one index dropping a certain amount, again, should not derail your account balances or your long-term plan. I hope this helps put things in perspective. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any other questions or would like to sign up for my newsletter, please visit www.sullivanfinancialplanning.com. Thanks and have a great day.